Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are going to walk you through step by step how to take the RockyMounts AfterParty from the box to a fully functioning, capable swing-away platform bike rack. Let's get started. The first step to assembling the AfterParty is to secure the swing base into the hitch receiver of your vehicle so that we have a stable place to assemble the rest of the rack. To do this, we will thread the hitch bolt through the pinhole on our receiver from the right side, and tighten it up using the wrench supplied with the rack. To lock the base into the hitch receiver, press the locking pin onto the hitch bolt, and place the rubber cover over the lock core to keep dirt and debris out of the system. With the swing base secure, we can now begin assembling our rack. We'll start by attaching the spine to the swing arm portion of the base using this large bolt with a washer. Add another washer and thread on the M12 nut. Using the supplied wrenches, tighten down the hardware until it is snug. It's important not to tighten this pivoting point too much. It's crucial that this moves freely to ensure that the safety pin and the locking handle line up properly. Our next steps will be completed in the position used to transport bikes. Using the handle located right at the front of the rack, tilt the spine down so that we can begin installing the bike trays. When installing the bike trays onto the spine, there are a few key things to pay attention to. The blue levers on the tray should both be facing out just like this. You'll also notice that there are logos on a few of the trays. The tray with the RockyMount logo only is going to go in the position closest to the vehicle. The tray with RockyMounts fully spelled out is going to go in the outer position. To fasten the tray, lift the wheel holders out of the way and place the bar that will connect the two halves in the center of the tray. Thread in the two M10 bolts and tighten the bolts until they are snug using the Allen wrench provided with the AfterParty. Repeat the same steps to fasten the outer tray to the spine, ensuring proper tray orientation and logo placement. And with that, the RockyMount AfterParty is fully assembled. Before we put this rack to work, it's important to check over the features of your newly assembled rack to ensure everything is working properly. The levers that control the wheel holders have three functions. Push them in to temporarily allow the wheel holder to slide, pull the lever out to give the wheel holder free motion of the entire tray, flip them back in to engage the levers. When pushing the wheel holder back down, you should hear a clicking noise indicating the mechanism is engaging properly. The wheel holders have adjustable wheel blocks to ensure this rack can accommodate a wide variety of bikes. Now is a good time to adjust those to your bike's wheel size so that you're ready to go for your next ride. The AfterParty has a built-in locking mechanism with a sturdy chain lock to keep your bike super secure. To ensure this mechanism is working properly, take the supplied key and unlock the lock core by rotating it a quarter turn to the right. Undo the grommet located in front of the outer tray to reveal the slot to insert the chain lock into. Push the lock core back in to secure the chain lock in place. Inserting your key and unlocking the lock core once again will allow you to remove the chain lock from the rack. Last but certainly not least, release the locking handle and safety pin to test your AfterParty, ensuring that it smoothly swings out 180 degrees to give you easy access to the cargo area of your vehicle. This concludes our video on the RockyMount AfterParty. If you have any questions about the installation process, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.